Hi, I'm Mike Palmer. In this essay, I expand on the introduction to the Super Smart Startup, which includes links to other essays in the series. Voices are from 11 Labs.
You and your team get smarter as you use AI tools.
When used strategically, AI tools not only help you make better decisions in the moment, they also help you grow intellectually and professionally over time. Hence, Super Smart Startup has a double meaning. Startups enhanced by AI and startups that get smarter as they use AI. Here's some of the ways that interacting with AI tools can make you a smarter startup leader and a smarter team.
Expanding and deepening your intuitive expertise. One of the most powerful ways AI tools help you grow smarter is by educating your intuitive expertise. Interacting with AI helps you recognize patterns, identify trends, and process information faster and more accurately than you could on your own. Over time, these tools act as a feedback loop, constantly refining and expanding your intuition. For example, when you use AI to analyze market trends, customer behavior, or competitive landscape, it doesn't just give you answers. It helps you internalize key insights that shape your future decision-making. As a result, you're able to make decisions faster and more accurately, as AI helps to accelerate and refine your ability to think strategically.
Learning about unknown aspects of your startup. AI tools can help uncover blind spots in your startup that you may not have known existed. For instance, AI can analyze large data sets from customer feedback, sales, or social media engagement, revealing patterns and insights that you might have missed with manual analysis. These tools act as your eyes and ears, providing deeper insight into areas like customer needs, product performance, or even team dynamics. By consistently interacting with AI to gain these insights, you learn more about your startup's operations, your customers, and your market, helping you spot opportunities and threats you might otherwise overlook.
Becoming aware of helpful books and resources. As you use AI tools, you will discover books, articles, podcasts, research papers, and other resources relevant to your startup's needs. AI tools like Notebook LM or recommendation engines can surface knowledge tailored to your specific challenges, providing curated learning materials that help you expand your knowledge base. Whether it's finding a book on negotiation tactics, a podcast on leadership, or an article on new technology trends, AI acts as your personal knowledge assistant, guiding you to valuable resources that accelerate your learning curve and expand your understanding of the complex world of startups.
Training your reasoning to think better. Regularly interacting with AI tools trains your reasoning abilities in ways that traditional methods may not. For instance, using AI for decision support pushes you to articulate your reasoning more clearly and thoughtfully. You'll need to define the frame of reference for the AI to work with, carefully evaluate its suggestions, and synthesize that information into a coherent strategy. Over time, this process sharpens your logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. You'll start to approach challenges with greater precision, weighing options more systematically, and understanding the underlying factors at play. In essence, the more you use AI, the more your mind becomes trained to think strategically and analytically.
Improving your ability to make data-driven decisions. One of the most significant benefits of using AI is its ability to support data-driven decision-making. AI tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Google Analytics help you analyze and visualize data from multiple sources, providing insights that inform smarter decisions. As you interact with these tools, you get better at understanding data trends, making decisions based on facts rather than intuition or guesswork. This helps you make more informed, strategic decisions, whether it's about product development, pricing, marketing, or sales. Over time, this constant exposure to data-driven thinking sharpens your ability to evaluate the relevance of different data points and apply them to real-world challenges.
Refining your problem-solving skills. Using AI to explore and analyze problems pushes you to break down complex issues into smaller, manageable components. AI tools like ChatGPT, for example, can help you brainstorm solutions by suggesting multiple ways of tackling a problem. offering different perspectives or guiding you through structured reasoning processes. This helps you develop a more systematic approach to problem solving, and the iterative process of interacting with the AI builds your capacity to address challenges creatively and effectively. The more you use AI, the better you get at structuring problems, generating solutions, and evaluating the best course of action, leading to better outcomes for your startup.
Increasing your adaptability and resilience. As a startup leader, adaptability and resilience are crucial. AI tools can help you adapt quickly to changing circumstances by providing real-time feedback and helping you explore alternative solutions. Whether you're managing a shift in market conditions or dealing with internal team challenges, AI can help you simulate different scenarios, weigh risks, and explore new opportunities. By becoming accustomed to using AI tools to process information and adjust your strategies, you build the resilience needed to navigate the volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous nature of the startup world. This adaptability is a key component of leadership and critical to long-term success.
A symbiotic relationship with AI. The relationship between you and your AI tools is symbiotic. You get smarter by using them, and they get better by working with you. Over time, this reciprocal learning process leads to mutually beneficial growth. You become more strategic, efficient, and insightful, while your version of the AI tool evolves into more accurate, personalized, and effective decision support systems. As a startup leader, embracing this continuous improvement cycle gives you a powerful edge, allowing you to scale your business while making faster, smarter decisions.
Join our super smart startup community to unlock the power of AI for your team. At Teams Excel, we're building a community of like-minded startup leaders who understand that the future of decision-making, collaboration, and innovation lies in the use of AI. By becoming a paid subscriber of Teams Excel, you automatically are enrolled in our super smart startup community. You'll gain access to exclusive training on using AI tools for better, faster, and less costly mind work, people work, and handwork, interactive workshops to address your startup's challenges, and a community of fellow leaders who are all striving for the same goal: building successful, self-sustaining startups.
Why join? Learn AI tools for better results. Get practical training on using AI tools to support and enhance your thinking and doing.
Workshops and problem-solving sessions. Access live workshops where we tackle your specific startup challenges using AI.
Community support. Connect with other startup leaders to share insights, ask questions, and get feedback in a collaborative environment.
Ready to propel your startup? Subscribe today to unlock the tools, training, and community you need to build a super smart startup. Transform your decision-making, build stronger teams, and create products that change the world.
To unlock exclusive tools and resources for your startup, secure your place in our super smart startup community.